Okay, we're going to add some extra memory to our KORG TRITON Extreme. First, we'll open the box. As you can see there, we have one card in. This is one 16 meg card that comes with your KORG TRITON Extreme. Okay, I'm going to add some extra memory to my TRITON. Here we have a 16 meg board, one of our own here that we sold Sample Kings. They're designed for us in Japan. Make sure you pull the clip out on the edge of each one of these lines here and sort of lay it sort of sideways there. Make sure you're in a groove, and then go straight up. Now I'm going to add another card, 16 meg. It's sort of like these little clips on the side here. So what I do is like sort of put the card in a slot. I move these little clips out, then I push the card up. It snaps into place. Okay, once we have all our cards in, make sure they're firmly in place. And your machine should also be off. You have to make sure your KORG TRITON Extreme is off when you start putting it in, and even once you get through putting it in. And make sure you're not on a rug. If you're on a rug, you create static electricity. We close our lid. Make sure the lid is securely closed. Great. Okay, we're powering up our KORG TRITON Extreme right now. And as you can see there, we have 16 megs on each slide.